ru, e, e, I,
Okay.
o,
Hmm.
o,
Hmm. Ow.
o,
Um.
um,
Aha.
aha,
Hmm.
ka,
Hmm.
ka,
Yes.
ga, ga,
Hmm.
ya,
Ah.
ya,
Yeah. Hmm.
ya,
Okay.
cha,
Hmm.
cha,
Hmm.
ja, ja, ini,
Okay.
ta,
Hmm.
ta, da,
Hmm.
da, ang, ana,
Ah. Very good.
ta,
Hmm.
ta, ta, da, da,
Yes.
na, pa,
Hmm.
pa,
Hmm.
ba,
Uh,
ba,
hmm.
ma, ya,
Hmm.
ra,
Okay.
la,
Hmm. Ba.
wa,
Hmm.
sha, she,
She. Ah.
sha,
Yes.
sa,
Mm. Sa,
sa,
ha,
ha,
Allah,
Allah,
Aksha,
aksha, bandira.
very good. Okay. Today, what did you learn?
Varnamala.
Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, teacher.
Okay. You can read anything, any letter, right? Okay. Can you please read the third line like ta, ka, cha, ta. Halulu in Halulu, the third line. Ta. Did you get it?
Ta,
Hmm.
ta,
Yes.
da, da,
Hmm.
anna.
Anna. Okay. Can you please the last line? Yara lava.
Ya,
Hmm.
la, la, va,
Hmm.
she, sha, sa, va,
Ha.
ha,
Hmm.
Allah,
Very good. Aksha.
aksha, bandira.
Okay. Telugu is a easy language. Okay. You will you will get it. Okay. But you have to do a lot of practice. What did you do?
Varnamala.
What you did Varnamala. But you have to do one more thing daily. What is it?
Practice.
Yes, practice it regularly. You will get. Okay. For today's lesson is completed. You will learn about Halulu, but we will talk about your exam syllabus, like ninth lesson and 10th lesson, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Your mother
मैम
already. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
8 o'clock हो गया मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you teach on Friday or you want to teach continue ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. I will teach Friday, ma'am. You
Friday.
wish. Yes, ma'am.
I don't have problem. Is this